Ekhaya leqala lomzabalazo ongasekhoyo uAndrew Mlangeni kulapho kaloku kwachitha ixesha lakhe elininzi phakathi koluntu lwaseSoweto. Eli gqala liminyaka ngamashumi-95 ubudala likhunjula phakathi kwezinye izinto njengomuntu ebesoloko echulumancile esenza elowo nalowo ezive ebalulekile. Kaloku ubhubhe izolo ebusuku emva kokuba ethe wangeniswa kwisibhedlele i-1 military esisepitoli ukukhalazela ungaxoli kwesisu sakhe.
The other day he was saying to me, hey, I wish I was young, I was about 30 years of age with the experience that I have so that we can go and play golf, shaking his body like this. I feel like we could go and play golf because he was very passionate about golf.
Loka Mlangeni uchithe iminyaka engapha kwama-20 kwisiqithi Robben Island emva kokuba wafunyaniswe netyala ngurhulumente wengcinezelo ngo-1964. Waya phakathi kwamagqala enkululeko waquka uNelson Mandela, uDennis Goldberg, uWalter Sisulu, Ahmad Kathrada nabanye. Uluntu lwaseSoweto luthi noko liyavakala ulwamvila.
Just recently he was celebrating his birthday. To our surprise, we were called to the street not many days thereafter to come and collect some vegetables.
All that I've learned from Tate Mlangeni is that he's not corrupt, and he was anti-corrupt officials of the ANC.
Bambi ke bathi bamkhumbula ngento ezinhle kakhulu uMlangeni. Utata uAndrew Mlangeni ushiya ngasemva abantwana bakhe, abazukulwana kunye nesizukulwana, ukanti ke amalungiselelo omngcwabo weli qala lomzabalazo ebengekabhengezwa. NdinguAbongile Dumako kwindaba ze-SABC eGauteng.
uAndrew Mogidi Mlangeni wazalwa mhla ziyisithupha kuNhlangulana ngo-1925 eBethlehem eFree State. Eneminyaka emibili uyise wadlula emhlabeni, umndeni wakhe wabe usuthuthela edolobheni Ashanti eGoli. Eneminyaka eyishumi wayeka isikole ukuze alekelele unina ukondla ekhaya. Ngo-1950 washadelwa ethatha uJune Ledwaba, babusiswa ngezingane eziyishumi kanti bachitha iminyaka engama-51 beshadile. Ngo-1951 uMlangeni waba ingxenye yophiko lwentsha ye-ANC kulandela ukudingiswa kophiko lwentsha lwamakhomanisi abe eyilungu lalo. Ngawo lowo nyaka wabamba iqhaza embhikishweni wamabhasi akwa-Patco njengoba abe esebenza njengomshayeli wawo. uMlangeni wabe esekhaleni kusungulwa uphiko lwe-ANC lwezempi umkhonto wesizwe. Ngo-1961 wajujwa eChina ukuyoqeqeshelwa ukuba yisosha. Kwathi ngo-1963 wabanjwa nozakwabo be-ANC abayishumi-8 okubalwa kubo nobaba uNelson Mandela ongasekho kanye noDennis Goldberg naye ongasekho epulazini lili lapho kwakubhaca khona amalungu e-ANC eRivonia. Wathweswa icala lokunxenxa abantu ukuba ngamalungu omkhonto wesizwe kanye nokubaqeqesha njengamasosha. Ngo-1964 bagwetshwa udilikajele. Mhla ziyishumi-5 kuMfumfu ngo-1989 emva kweminyaka engama-26 ebhadlejele, uMlangeni nabanye abathathu abeboshwe nabo bakhululwa. uMlangeni nabe eboshwe nabo eRobben Island babuyela kuleli jele lapho abhadla khona iminyaka eyishumi-8. Waba yilungu lePhalamende phakathi ka-1994 no-2014. Umngakhe umama uJune wadlula emhlabeni ngo-2001 kathi kushona umngani wakhe omdala ngo-2013. Wabuka lokhu njengokuphela kwezinsuku zakhe emhlabeni, wabe esephimisa lamazwi.
We are not going to be separate for a long time now because I'll also be following soon.
Ubaba uMlangeni ushiya ngemumva izingane zakhe, abazukulu kanye nabazukulwana.